Struggling in your life currently, you have lost your job, you have gone through a breakup, you have gone through difficult times in your life, maybe you've lost a lot of money in your life. Whatever is your current situation which is happening right now, whatever is your current reality, it's because of your past frequency. It's because of your past belief, past patterns which lead to your current life situation. This is not a coincidence. This is not happening because just something sudden. In your life, nothing happens suddenly. There is always a reason behind it. There is always a misalignment of your frequency behind it. And if you continue this misalignment, if you continue carry this frequency, you cannot manifest the dream job. You cannot attract a better partner. You keep attracting the similar patterns of person in your life. You cannot recover your money or whatever the current problem you're facing. So don't go after manifesting that particular goal. Don't make an affirmation about, I got a dream job, I got a dream partner. First, work on balancing your internal frequency. First, work on alignment of your four factors, which requires to balance your frequencies. What are these four factors? These four factors are feelings, thoughts, belief, and action. When these four layers combine together, it creates a frequency. And you do it frequently and it become your current reality. With the current situation happen in your life, it's being attracted 4 months back, 6 months back. You are thinking that you just you had a breakup today, but you have manifested that breakup, you have manifested that frequency of breakup 6 months back, 1 year back. You are thinking that you have been laid off from this job today, but the frequency, the thought process, the belief you have attracted and manifested when you started working for that, for the job. So the internal work we have to do to change your past frequency, work on your current frequency, and upgrading your future frequency. And what are this frequency made of? The frequency is made up of feelings, thoughts, belief, and action. So today we will be balancing out this frequency and match your FTBA with your goals. Whatever is your dream goals, we will be matching and realigning the frequency rather than just creating an affirmation. Affirmation won't work because if your internal frequency is imbalanced, whatever affirmation you're doing, I got a dream job, internally you have a belief that market is the current market is not good for the job. Why I will always attracted to toxic job, why have a why I'm so unstable with my career. If you have this pattern, if you have this belief, you keep recurring the similar pattern of job and you can't sustain in your career. You cannot attract your dream job with this current frequency and with this current belief. So just making an affirmation won't work. Let's upgrade yourself, let's evolve yourself so in the future you can manifest your dream job, you can manifest the person which you want, and you can recover your money by upgrading your emotional frequency, by upgrading your emotional pattern. So today I will be doing this exercise for attracting and manifesting a dream job. Let's start with the exercise. What you have to do, you have to take pen and paper. In that pen and paper, you have to first identify what is your past frequency. Before manifesting the situation, before losing this job, what are your thoughts? What are your beliefs? What are your action? What are your feelings which you are thinking about while you're working in that past job? So we will be working on identifying your past emotional pattern. First step is to identify. Go and just create the four columns. What in that four columns you have to write: first column is of feelings, second column is of beliefs, third column is of thoughts, belief you can write combine also, and then action. So these are the four column you have to make for identifying your past frequency. Let's start the past while you're working for that particular job, which 3 months back, 6 months back, what exactly are you feeling day to day life? You don't have to be creative, you have to be authentic enough to write this answer, because we will be working on balancing your frequency. So don't be creative, just be authentic. So, yeah, work on it. What were your feelings? Are you happy? Are you lazy? What exactly is your feelings at that time? I was working for that job. I was feeling depressed. I was lazy. I was not feeling motivated to work. I was feeling, I was feeling caged because I don't have time freedom. I was feeling anxious. I was having every time I was having a fear of losing this job because I feel this job is very uncertain. So, these were my feelings. If you identify, you will be getting at least 7 to 8 feelings. So, you have to write all the feelings which you're facing while you were working while you're working in that particular job. Write all the feelings. I was thinking depressed. I was anxious every day. While I was working, I was like, every day I was having a feeling. Maybe I'll, maybe I'm perform better. I won't perform better. So every day there is, anxiety I'm having. So that were my feelings. Now, thoughts and belief. What thoughts and belief you have while you were working for that job? Right thoughts and feelings. So while I was working for that job, I was thinking that a job cannot give me freedom. These were my thoughts and beliefs. I was also thinking that mm, I cannot fulfill my dream while working for 9 to 5. There is no freedom in 9 to 5. This job is very boring. I cannot focus in this job. This is a startup company, so I can't do multitasking, and there is no uncertain. The career is very uncertain. I cannot sustain in this company for long term. I always have a fear about my boss is toxic. My boss is very dominating, and he always targets me. I cannot perform my work because I have a pattern of, I was always lazy. I'm a lazy person, so I cannot work for 9 hours. So this were my beliefs, this were my thoughts while I was working for that job. Now identify what action you were taking while you were working for that job. I was not working properly. I was procrastinating every day. I was I was working hardly 5 6 hours, and I was always, you know, going out with my friends. I was not efficient and productive enough completing my task. Every time I have, I take a lot of leaves. I was not regular with my work. I'm not working every day. I'm doing time pass. I was talking to my friends. I was not doing efficient work because I'm thinking there's no point of in this job. Every day I was cribbing about my job. Every day I was telling my friends I don't like this job, everything. So this were my actions I was taking while I was working for that job. So we have identified, we have created a report of your past FTBA. Now let's jump to your current situation. Currently, you have lost your job. Day to day life, what exactly you're thinking, your beliefs are, what your thought process are, and what action you're taking. Because of that, because of your current frequency, you're not manifesting your dream job. Let's identify your current frequency. So now first is your feeling part. What feelings you're having every day? Identify your feelings. What day-to-day activities and day-to-day feelings you're having in your mind. So I am having the feeling I'm lazy. I was not working to applying the job. I was thinking that why I'm feeling frustrated. I'm feeling uncertain. I'm feeling fear. I'm having a lot of anxiety because I'm not getting job. So there are a lot of anxiety which is going on in my mind. Very negative. While I was applying for any job, I'm very negative. I'm desperate of getting a new job. Every day I'm having a desperation. Every day I'm wasting so much time. So I'm having a lot of guilt. I'm having a lot of regret. So these are my current FTBA, because of which I'm not attracting and manifesting my dream job. Now, thoughts and beliefs. Let's work what thoughts and what beliefs you have. So I do have a belief that it is difficult to get a job Maybe my future is very uncertain. How I have a question. I have every time I have an anxiety. How I'll get a job? What will happen if I don't get a job? What if I will be jobless for 6 7 months? How I'll manage my expenses? So every day I have a fear. I have a belief. No, the market situations are very bad. Because of it, I cannot manifest the job. I cannot sustain in 9 to 5 job. It's difficult for me to work for 9 to 5. I need time freedom. So these are my thoughts and belief because of which I cannot attract and manifest my dream job. What action I'm taking? I'm not working for it. Every day I'm just wasting my time watching Netflix, watching movies, every day cribbing about it, going out and doing a lot of time pass, not working for the job, feeling depressed at the end of the day, sleeping till 11 till 12, not working out, not taking any action or efforts on my health, on or for my job. So these are my current action which I'm taking, which actually leads to not manifesting my dream job. So this is my present frequency. You will be writing your present frequency, your action, your thoughts, your belief. I'm writing according to my thought process. So this is my past, this is my present. What do you think? With this kind of a feelings, thoughts, belief, and action, will I attract or will I manifest my dream job? Is it possible that I can manifest if I'm thinking anxious, if I'm having a lot of fear, if I'm having a lot of desperation, regret, guilt? Will I manifest any dream job in my life? Of course not. This is a reason you are not manifesting your dream job. This is a reason you've lost your job, you lost your past job. You are blaming your boss, you're blaming the situation, but no, it is your FTBA which create your current reality. And because of your current reality, you are not manifesting your future. So let's change your FTBA. Let's change your future FTBA so that you can manifest, you can work on it, you can upgrade your frequency and manifest your dream job. Let's create your future alignment and future FTBA. Same column you have to make. First is feelings, thoughts, belief, and action. So these are the three columns you have to make. Thoughts and belief you have to make combine, where you can put your thoughts and belief. So if you just imagine you've already got a job, you have an offer letter, what will be your thought process? What feelings you will be having? Write down as if you already got a job and you are working for the job. How will your day be look like? How, what work, what action you will be taking? You have to write accordingly. So feelings, first write the feelings. What feelings you will be having? You were happy, you were excited, you were grateful. All the feelings, whatever the feelings you're thinking, just write down all the feelings. Feeling blessed, excited, all the feelings you can write. Feeling calm, relaxed, satisfied. These are the feelings which you will be having if you are manifesting, if you already have that job. Now, thoughts and belief. What thoughts and belief you will be having? So, you can have the thoughts that it's easy to get a job, it's very easy to manifest a job. Law of attraction works. Maybe this will be your thoughts and belief. Manifestation is possible. Maybe you have thoughts and belief the universe will always support you. Whatever you ask, you always get it. Universe will always favor for you. So this were your thoughts, this were your beliefs, right? Just write down whatever thoughts and whatever beliefs you will be having after manifesting that job. You feel very happy. So you will be having a belief that I will be 100% dedicated towards my job. I'm very excited. This will be your thought for the job. All the thoughts and beliefs, just write down whatever you will be having after manifesting and after attracting that job. Now move to the action. What action you will be taking? You will be waking up early, going to temple, being grateful, prayer in front of God, what action you will be taking. Be productive initially for the job, working hard for the job, groom yourself before going for the job, right? And what other action you will be taking. Be more organized, be more productive, be more relaxed, call talking to your friends and telling them that you already got a job, giving party to your friends after getting a job. So these are the action you will be taking after you get the job. So this is your future FTBA we have created. Now, if you want to upgrade and if you want to manifest a job, live life as your future version. Live as you already manifest a job and start feeling this. Start taking action accordingly and start having the similar thoughts and similar belief. Start having this, make an affirmation. I am feeling so happy. Universe always support me. Just create an affirmation using this FTBA. Combine this FTBA, create the affirmation, and you will see you will manifest and attract your dream job. When your frequency upgrade, when your frequency started aligning, attraction automatically starts happening. Start doing this, start working on your FTBA, and you will see amazing results in your life. I want to create a detailed video about it, but I cannot extend it because the video is already long. You can work on upgrading your FTBA. If you need a part 2 about this video, I will create a more detailed video about it. But before that, start working on it. Whatever exercise I have told to you today, just start following this exercise and start creating your new FTBA to attract and manifest your dream job. This is not a basic affirmation, this is not the basic techniques which I'm telling. This is the more advanced law of attraction, where you will be upgrading yourself. So start working on it and start manifesting it. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like this video, do subscribe to my channel.